Have you noticed changes in your vitality? Many senior men face challenges. Hormonal shifts can significantly impact libido and energy. Testosterone levels decline naturally with age. This can lead to feelings of frustration and reduced sexual desire. Factors like physical health, mental well-being, and medication side effects play a role. So, what can be done to counteract this decline? Male enhancement products have gained popularity. These tablets combine natural ingredients that support testosterone health and boost libido. One key ingredient is Tongkat Ali. It may help increase testosterone levels naturally. Another ingredient, L-Arginine, enhances blood flow, benefiting sexual function. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production and overall health. Bioperine aids nutrient absorption, making these ingredients more effective. Take Avidasana's men's vitality formula, for example. It contains a blend of beneficial herbs, like ginseng. Ginseng may improve blood flow and restore vigor. Now let's visualize this. Imagine embarking on a new, energetic chapter in life. With these natural supplements, you can regain confidence and vitality. In summary, testosterone decline is common in senior men, affecting libido. Male enhancement products, like Avidasana's men's vitality formula, use natural ingredients to address these challenges. Ready to take charge of your vitality? Visit avidasana.com and explore your options today.